Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create Gmail account without phone number verification. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to create a Gmail account here without reusing your phone number here for certain purposes, well, the thing with this one is it's actually quite easy, but there are a few things that you may need to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access a phone here that already has a Gmail or a Google account already logged in or created in their phone. So in this case, once you have that, or once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your settings and you want to go ahead and basically go to your accounts, or you may want to visit the Google section here. Let's go and click on Google. Now from here, it will give you this section. Go and click on your account, and it will give you this pop-up here. Now what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the option here that says add another account. And once you've clicked on it, it will redirect you to the verification page. Just going to verify yourself so that we can access the sign-in page. But once you are in here, you should be able to click on the create account at the very bottom of your screen and go and choose for my personal use. Now from here, you could go and just enter the necessary details. So that includes your name and also your basic information. Let's go and just enter our birthday here or our gender as well. And let's go and click on next. Now from here, you just need to choose one that you may want to use. So you can either choose one of those. So let's go ahead and choose this one as an example. Click on next. And from here, you may want to enter your password. So let's go enter our password. Now it will ask you to review your account information. Go and just review that and click on next. And once you've done that, go and just review the privacy and terms here, and you can go and click on I agree to create your account. Now, the great thing about this one is this will temporarily bypass the section or the page where they would need to verify your phone number, because again, you're already using a phone that has a Google account already connected, and usually that would basically skip that page. But later on, they will still ask you to add your phone number at the later date. So if you try signing in again in a different device, they may ask you to enter your phone number. But then again, it's not mandatory at that point. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.